Here are 15 synonyms suitable for upper intermediate English students. Synonyms for diminish are reduce or decrease. For expand, you can also say enlarge or extend. Eradicate synonyms are eliminate or illiterate. For enhance, you can also say improve or augment. Synonyms for alleviate are relieve or mitigate. Instead of expedite, you can also say accelerate or speed up. Instead of reduce, you can use decrease or lessen. For intensify, you can say strengthen or magnify. Synonyms for enable are empower or facilitate. Instead of manifest, you can also say reveal or display. Synonyms for pioneer are innovate or lead. For outline, you can also say sketch or delineate. Instead of support, you can say assist or back. For nurture, you can use foster or cultivate. Synonyms for maintain are sustain or preserve. Subscribe for weekly videos.